Top stories. Teachers conducting classes at tuition and coaching centers will not be allowed to set the question papers for the coming HSLC examination. Imphal East District Police SP K.Meghachandra appeals the general public to stay away from unattended objects if possible. Manipur police carried out mass cordon and search operation at different places ahead of Manipur Sangai Festivals. Hello and good evening. Welcome to Times of Manipur, the news read by Haripriyari. Chairman of Board said that preparation for 2019 is almost ready, and while conducting classes at tuition and centers will not be allowed to set the question papers for the coming HSLC examination.
Board of Secondary Education Manipur, BOSEM, is all set to conduct the High School Living Certificate Examination 2019. In an exclusive interview with the Controller Examination of the Board, Laisram Phulsan said, tentatively, the examination will be started from February 20 and concluded on March 18. From this year, no private center will be allotted for the examination, he said.
Lakadurba 2019 gi HSLC exam ji aikoi tentative program February 20 dagi hauraga March ki 35 bau hauna ba koi sem saba haujare hanagum akoi ayamba exam preparation hauji ready tauraga smoothly adum tauri kaisuk sida koi hana dagi thengda nabagi akoi kaisuk thengda dana ba na koi ngamjabi honabam thokpa dum koi exam section na hona jari.
He further said about 38,000 students appearing in the examination. Besides, the examination will be conducted at 100 centers. The necessary arrangement has been taken up to prevent from using unfair means by the students.
Among the 2018 gi prekha thagibda koi center ji private center da 75 book legira aduga board center da 21 book leire. Lakadoriba 2019 dadi akoi board center on thoga center ji hana dagi masing kharju hengalaga koina 100 ki mathakta center ji lakpa yai board center hoina.
On the other hand, Chairman of the Board, T.H. Kiran Kumar said the tentative schedule for the examination has been fixed. Students are informed to prepare fully for the examinations without wasting time, he appealed. Moreover, those teachers who are working at coaching centers and doing tuitions will not be allowed in the question setting of the examination, he added.
Tuition tauba oza amadi coaching center da tauba oza mayam si akoi maming matha subject loina na PU haidana koi ngasi numit kharni gi maming da koi si ma thokchara ani sidai da akoi hana tuition tauba adagi kana adugumba oza yaubra yaudabra na mayam gi chingna budu mayam na akoi na ju akoi da ju database ang khak leijai akoi list of akoi oza moi di tuition tawi taudi haidu mayam dagi su tongan ba jaga dagi maming matha do subject loina na kari school da oibano haibadu loi pikhala gadi adugi mi gaidugi question di ama phog yaura roi moi question sema matamda so it will further improve aduna mayamna board ta thajabaju thambiyu aduga akoi su kanna hona jage lai khoiramaga bujiki parikha si phajana akoi gi pangthokna na ba adumaina thamjage.
Imphal East District Police SP K.Meghachandra has appealed the general public to stay away from unattended objects if possible.
The SP of Imphal East Police, K.Meghachandra, has cautioned that Imphal City is the converging point of any direction of the state. Many unwanted activities could be carried out by some miscreants. The necessary security arrangement has been taken up at the maximum level. However, the cooperation of the people is most important, he said.
Koigi Sangai Festival ga mari leinana koina public ta appeal tawbase number 1 gari se koina su mafam chadana khambidaba unattended vehicle ama any bag thambidaba isa na su maramje hojik se highly suspicious oiba mawong da koina yengani adugumdo unattended vehicle bag mapu leitana hondo amba ama se koina singna ningai oibada madugi action chapchana gari do seize tawsinba koigi ama BTS expert kumba kauraga adagi koi adugumdo dispose tongna bhonaba any chingkhatana khotana mafam dai lokthokna bhonarakani public inconvenient oini. Secondly, public na su adugumba unattended haidi mapu yaudaba vehicle gari bag na singba lairamba uragadi khudakta manak nakpa police natraga khangna janaba police ingda pau PBO station chingda aduga madu yam section na manakta nakshin bidaba ama matoba maramdi kogi any major function nama tawba matamda sabotage plan se adum tawi police ki akan ba section thawrang lokhalle koi cordon ani hum tokna koi deployment haure aduga maximum kaino tawdana cordon and search operation adi hanagi crime yamna tawganba hanjin habitual offender hai tare adugumba criminal antecedent leiba mi sing do koi yamna harassment tawdana politely tawdana verification tawna ba kanna koi kongjang changsilabani aduna masi Praja nasu public nasu kidang jingnaba miyo ema laikai da khanghaudana changakpa jingnaba pot ama thengnaba movement ama mi chathok chasin hek ubado public ta hek thengnaba ga public na police ta pau PBO mateng pangbiyo na thamjage.
He also said Imphal city is becoming a soft point and can be accessible by anti-social elements, but the necessary strategy has also been taken up by the police, he added.
Imphal ai se koi loina district khuding makki sorok main mayam se converse to punchil laga main city sida loina makai khuding maktagi khawang nongpok nongchuk all round dagi major highway sing se Imphal da loina kaino punba mafam ne aduna yamthina vulnerable oibani adubo security gi section thawrang se in spite of all constraints masi mayam se marakta kanna lobudagi masi yarigai minimize tawbani aduna masi ai lapses lay adan dilaude adubu karibum kanda koina nakan nama senenge da amada sumain tawba khara adugumba he tokpani because lairak mayam lairiba street pattern ama mase so yengbiraga mayam prajana su khangani masidi laikai khuding makta koigi UG gi element ama laibagi koi mayam na khangnarabani sigi marak sida security na kanna section bagi yam toina thoktabani adana ai lauje masi yellow ga ops ka se hoji yam sengna di koi akanba koi senior officer singi miyeng makada koi bifurcate tawre taxe kaino tawe adubo police ai se airtight oina aina sigaktang tawgadobni haiba leitabni na adugumba requirement gi as per requirement da koi adum tawbani contingency plan da.
Manipur police have carried out mass cordon and search operation at different places ahead of the festival. Here is the report.
Police have taken up tight security arrangement ahead of the upcoming Manipur Sangai Festival. A team of Imphal East District Police today conducted search operation at Mahabali Kabui village under the Porompat police station. The search operation was started from 4:30 am and continued till 6:20 am. Altogether, 265 persons, including 99 females, were verified. Among them, 16 males and 7 females, who have not possessed their identity proof documents, were picked up for further verification. On the other hand, a combined team of Bishnupur District Police and paramilitary forces also conducted search operation at Karang Island and its surrounding areas by using motorboats. The operation started from 5:30 this morning and concluded at 7:30 am. More than 115 households were checked and altogether 205 persons were verified during the operation. However, no arrested during the search operation.
Irate locals rescued a suspected Indonesian IM cadre from the hands of armed forces after being arrested by a combined team of 23 Assam Rifles and Khongsang Police. One woman was injured in the incident. The incident occurred at Maryland, which fall under the jurisdiction of Nungba Police Station around 5 last evening. According to a news report, the combined team of security personnel arrested suspected Indonesian IM Rinchingchang Ganmei, son of Gangmei Dairin from Rangpai village. After the suspect was arrested, women folk of the locality stood up and rescued the man from Arab personnel. As a result, one woman by the name Kapai Jonri Ganmei, 32, wife of Ganmei Sinapao, got injured in the clash. Manipur State Legislative Assembly officials and staffs today stake a sit-in protest against the bomb attack carried out yesterday evening at the Assembly complex. Talking to the media person, Speaker of Manipur State Legislative Assembly, Y. Khemsan, said, Manipur State Legislative Assembly is a sacred temple in a democratic country. He further appealed not to do such in the future.
What do you think about it?
No security lapses. The bomb was thrown from, beside the wall. We have all securities are there. And by evening, how they escaped, that's not that is not tough things. Anyone can escape.
Is there any report of arresting?
Not yet. I think it will be very soon.
The proscribed United National Liberation Front (UNLF) has clarified that the outfit and its armed wing MPA are not related with Takilbam Johnson and Okram Trilendra, who were arrested by Manipur Police Commando on November 13 evening from Thangalbaja MG Avenue. On the other hand, the outfit has claimed that the bomb attack at the Manipur State Legislative Assembly complex was carried out by a special team of tactical unit of its armed wing MPA. And now let's have a short break. We'll bring more news, so stay with us.
Watch Life and Style, a gateway to the elegance of Manipur. Coming soon, only on Tom TV.
Welcome back after a short break. A 3-day conference on Otolaryngology of India 2018 on the theme Otorhinolaryngology Growing with Technology, organized by Department of Otorhinolaryngology RIMS, as kick off at Jubilee Hall today. Here is a report.
Department of Otorhinolaryngology RIMS and Manipur branch of Otolaryngologists of India have jointly organized the 31st Northeast Branch of Otolaryngologists of India Conference 2018 at Jubilee Hall, RIMS, Imphal today. Speaking as chief guest at the inaugural function, Deputy Chief Minister Yumnam Joy Kumar said, the treatment of ENT is as important as the other treatment like neuro and cancer. Since the treatment for ENT is very much necessary, modern technologies is required for the treatment of ENT, he added.
Medical science, particularly this in field of ENT, it does not merely remain confined to the traditional areas of operation, but have gone beyond that. You have taken the full advantage of the technology that is available. It is very important that we, whatever field it may be, today's world we have got support of lots of technology.
The inaugural function was attended by many renowned doctors from northeast states of India and outside, including Assam, Kolkata, Nepal, along with officials of RIMS, Imphal.
With an aim to make the masses computer literate, Yalhongmi Enterprises Private Limited, Khonghampat Mantri Lekai, distributed laptops to students on EG installment basis. A team of digital Yalhongmi led by its managing director Ningthausam Surjit and Ningthausam Kumarjit gave away laptops to around 20 students from Wangjing, Lamding, Hairuk, Kairom Bikok, Yaripok and Thobal Athokpam yesterday. Talking to the Tom TV News, Director of Yalhomi Enterprises, Ningthausam Kumarjit said, in order to impart computer knowledge to the masses, including the students, Digital Yalhomi has already distributed over 200 eyeball laptops. Moreover, laptops will be sold on easy installments.
When I use the digital knowledge, I will use the same sort of content. But the content the my partner looks kudung jobs in the Hoga Heragadi. When I say you don't think the laptop or computer or among the labor of the Kale. The labor sings I no mother computers and 15,000, 20,000 Jiputoga, labor thing of the Kudung Chadam, Mam Labanina. When I say Kudung Chadam, Vasita, Mating Pangbu in our Sagi installment, you don't put in the Spanton of Piraga, Angsing, Satrasing Amadi plus. One
of the students who received the laptop expressed that it is a great effort by the Yalhomi team to provide laptops at easy installment, and this will greatly help in the progress of learning, she added.
पैसा कुन पकाउन लेबो ngam da तारजु कोइ था यो ना कोइ आमगा कन बेमा खरा खसरगा समाना लौरगा कोइ जब जाम नुवाइजे दुगो कोइ लाइला सु तंबदसु यामना काना बोय अदना साटा तो पसिनजु सिगुमबसे काना बसे लहनिने दुगो माइ पापो हेनिने.
Various civil society organizations based in Moritown organized a voluntary blood donation awareness campaign. Donation came under the theme Blood Donation Has No Caste and Creed in collaboration with Thobal District Hospital Blood Bank and Transfusion Unit, Kangabok and RIMS Hospital at Mori Police Station today. The campaign was organized under the sponsorship of State Blood Sale and HM Additional SP of Tengnopal District, K.S. Robinson, Head of Department Transfusion Medicine of RIMS, Dr. A. Brinda Sharma, MO in charge of Thobal Blood Bank and Transfuser Dr. I. Dorendro, and various community leaders from Moritown took part in the campaign. Speaking to our correspondent, Dr. A. Brinda Sharma said, in order to make aware about the needs of blood and importance of donating blood, such campaign is being organized in different places.
Mama Moria the syllabus, Masi Yamna, Koigi, Lamdam Zigi Wena, blood donation gi, awareness, catching Koya Yona, Ngamnava, Yobang Ngamnava Koigi, Choba, Koi, etc. Money, Hena, Koidi Lozi. Although Koigi state and I see blood donation gi, Koigi Chang, I see Yamna, naming Masi Hojich Mina, Manipurgi catching Koya, the Kraga Yobanga Mavadi, Masigi, Koigi target as if Pazana Yobangam Gani and Akuna Kali. Aduga blood donation to the Karim to shock days, Masi Makina Mayamda, Masi Yohaning. Masin Hakchang the Karim to among Balete, the medically Masi Quina Loriba e Gichang as the Mida. Karim to shock days, Masi universally or medically proved Taurabana. Aduna Karim to shock day, Igi Mahut Sinaba Pochi Lake ever says that. Prithibi the House Power Science in a Sokalasu, easy at some manana, Mahut Singadova, Magi, Pochi, House of Power Potokri, Ade Mazi Hidak Tona, Queen of Parmasim that the later got Pangbasunate, Igi Darkana Lagadi, Inatana, Queen Mahut Sinavislatum. Other Masigi, concepts in the Quina, Mayamda, the voluntary donation to view in a Queen media the Carida Law remains.
On the other hand, in connection with the campaign, Additional SP K.H. Robinson conveyed the importance of blood donation in the society.
Blood came as a pandam de blood donation awareness, Mayam the Piva, Aduga, blood donation came. Kusan animal control Chavani, Adonsi target around 80 move target blood donors, which the participate when in a target Hamzari, Aduga, see a queen in a message beginning with blood donation to Wumatamda, Akoida. Properly medical checkup Taroga, the Aquida Shada Chocolate, Nina, Mayambo, life shape of Nova, blood donation to Wazi encouraged to Jerry.
Additional SP of Tengnopal District, K.H. Robinson, AR personnel and various community leaders donated blood during the campaign. Young Paite Association and Paite Tribes Council organized a rally today at Churachandpur town in protest against the unwanted incidents that took place in the districts and against the threat to leaders of Young Paite Association. Some conflicts arose between the ZRA and ZRO. Food Safety Administration, Imphal East and Directorate of Health Services have jointly organized a one-day health awareness program at the Medical Directorate Conference Hall, Lamjingbatomtv today. The main objective of the program was to bring health and food safety awareness to the sellers and consumers in the state, so that each and everyone can acquire about food hygiene and stay away from any kinds of food poisoning. Talking to the Tom TV News, designated officers of the Food Safety Administration, Imphal East, Dr. T. Prozendro Khaba Maiti said that the awareness program was held to avoid from food poisoning.
Masi pangthok chariba khanan enejaba asigi maruoiba maramdi haugiba thogdokta oba phaiba makal gi anaba kya thokrabasu matung tarakpa matamdadi matou karamna ekoina ngak thokadagi matau karam tauna pochei singase hygienically sem sagadage haiba asi lamdam sida leiriba miyang khudimakna section nabagi damakta haiduna aikoina khanane nabagi thormase pangthok chabani.
Manipur State Sumang Lila Council HSLC today paid floral tribute to the late renowned personality of Sumang Lila, Nandakeshwar Sharma, at his residence, Ningthem Pukrimapal. He was a well-known performer of Moirang Parpa.
Manipur State Sumang Lila Council today paid due respect to the renowned personality of Sumang Lila, especially of Moirang Parva, late Hanjabam Nandakeshwar Sharma, at his residence at Ningthem Pukrimapal. Speaking on the occasion, Lifetime Secretary Saugrakpram Hemanta said, Nandakeshwar was a prominent artist of Sanskrit drama, Sanskrit script writer and Sumang Lila, etc. He was a versatile actor, but he was mostly known for his role of Kangsha and Ravan. He was honored with Best Actor, Best Script Writer, Best Director and many gold medals, etc. He contributed his life in the field of art and culture.
Manipur Inat Kanbalu, Manipur State Sumang Lila Council, Anina, Nuit Nipani Yuba, workshop demonstration.
Festival The Giving Tree is all set to organize the second Sangai Kunung Festival at Luang Sangbam Matai, Imphal East District this year. Speaking to media person at Manipur Press Club, director of the festival organizing committee, Mangang Sana Mayang Lambam said the festival will be started from 23rd November and concluded on 25th November. The main objective organizing the festival is to preserve the rich culture and tradition of Manipur. Besides, to showcase our rich culture and tradition to the tourists coming from outside state and country too.
Festival haraga jago ise khaptang ki sum uba fijet makharam udagi hena koina kya udabase handak tagi hauraga makoina karam hain toraga chak semi chak thumi injang karam makhal gi injang sai karam hain toraga moi fi sai karam makhal gi moi khusu khlai sijin narami asina chingmo moi gi thaina dagi ahalaman hakta gi chanari ko mayam sum busu akoina handak ki festival sidigi horo utpa ngakpa amasung mingon tahanba hausi haibase koi khanajare.
A 3-day First Northeast Festival held at Huisu in Ukhrul district concluded today. The festival was organized on the theme Exploration of Exotic Huisu region. Here is a report.
The much-awaited first ever Northeast Tourism Festival has come to an end at Huisu village in Ukhrul district. Ukhrul Hills Development Foundation and Ming Pillar Industries, in collaboration with Northeastern Council, hosted a 3-day Northeast Tourism Festival at Huisu Village River Bank under the theme Exploration of Exotic Huisu Region. The main aim of the festival is to make Huisu a tourist center of the country by promoting its beauty and uniqueness and converting it into a hotspot tourist hill station of the state by developing its tourism potential. Crowds from all over the country thronged to witness the festival and participated in water sports. In this peak winter season, Huisu village riverbank is chosen for the festival as the river is the confluence point of Nungbi, Huisu and Chalo River and is surrounded by beautiful greenery mountain peaks. Artists and celebrities from different parts of Northeast states made a special appearance during the event. Campfires and tent houses were put up for the tourists at the riverbanks and food were served at a reasonable rate during the festival.
Union Home Minister Rajnath Singh, addressing an election rally in Mizoram, has said that BJP, if voted to power, would upgrade the road infrastructure in the state within 6 months. He alleged that the Congress government had not done anything to bring about development in Mizoram, adding that the condition of roads in northeastern state has gone from bad to worse under the Congress rule. The minister also asserted that the centre would ensure passage of an amendment to the 6th schedule of the Constitution, providing more power to the autonomous district councils of Mizoram. Under the 6th schedule, the Constitution gives special provisions to the administrations of tribal areas in the 4 northeastern states of Mizoram, in Assam, Mizoram, Meghalaya and Tripura, he added. The Hindu Aikya Vedi and Sabarimala Karma Samiti have cooled down to ducks flash hurdle across Kerala today to protest arrest of K. Sasikala in Pathanamthitta on Friday night. The two organizations are spearheading the protest against implementation of Supreme Court verdict allowing women of all ages to visit Ayappa temple. Mrs. Sasikala is the president of Hindu Aikya Vedi. Shops and commercial establishments remain closed and public transport vehicles staying off the road in Kannur. The hardest hit by the hurdle were railway passengers who were stranded at various railway stations in the district. The police vehicles are pressed into service to talk the stranded passengers to select destinations. The dawn to dusk hurdle has affected normal life in Alappuzha district. Shops and commercial establishments remain shut. And now let's move on some newspaper headlines.
The Sangai Express. Congress rolls out red carpet to new members. Ex-Chief Minister O. Ibobi bears fangs at rival BJP. Rift rocks ZRA, ZRO, Paite bodies say peace at stake. National Press Day. Chief Minister assures to take media persons under CMHT. Assam Riflemen manhandle TSA Secretary General. The People's Chronicle. 2 security men hurt as blast rocks assembly. Chief Minister Biren pledges CMHT benefit to media persons. Manipur to implement zero-budget natural farming. Gaikangam fears dilution of culture, language under BJP. Rupees 1 crore worth drugs destroyed in Moreh. The Morning Bell. National Press Day observed. 8 journalists awarded. Chief Minister says to include scribes under CMHT privileges. Supreme Court issues directions to 8 high courts including Manipur on appointment of judges. Assam. 70 organizations protest against citizenship bill. Contraband items worth over rupees 1 crore burnt down. Manipur Mail. Journalist awards conferred. Chief Minister Biren wants proper regulation of social media. Chief Minister inspects works at Civil Secretariat. Do not harass passengers on Imphal Moreh Road. Chief Minister. Imphal Free Press. 3 security personnel injured in grenade explosion inside Manipur Assembly Complex. Will not spare if anyone puts blame on Congress, says Ibobi. Chief Minister conducts inspection of work progress. Lilong Haribi Makha water supply has failed. Needs attention, consumers.
Before we close, let's see the top stories once again. Teachers conducting classes at tuition and coaching centers will not be allowed to set the question papers for the coming HSLC examination. Imphal East District Police SP K.Meghachandra appeals the general public to stay away from unattended objects if possible. And Manipur Police carried out mass cordon and search operation at different places ahead of Manipur Sangai Festival. That's all for the moment. Thank you very much for joining us and keep watching Times of